Hi, I'm Sakina and
I'm Mohammad Shabbir and we live in Santhome, Chennai. First, I got to know about elite elevators through I saw an online ad, and then I researched a little bit online about the single phase elevators for residential purpose, and then I contacted the sales team to get in touch and get to know more about the elevators. The technical team was also very helpful.
so far our experience with the lift is really good. Like it doesn't make much noise, so it's not a disturbance in the house, and it's a smooth running lift so far, so we are liking it.
We don't have a lift room, so that is one space. We can utilize the existing lift room for something else, and the safety is also good with the lift.
So as I said, life before lift, I had to carry two childrens, and climb 2 stairs. And if they are asleep with their school bags, it was very difficult. Now it is very easy for me to move up and down with them. So it's very convenient.
For me, it was once we come from the grocery shopping, I had to carry 2-3 bags of groceries. So the lift makes a lot of difference, and it makes it life easier.
So the main reason why we went for this lift was, apart from the phase, working on one phase, another thing was the safety that it provides. And because we have small kids, we went for this lift mostly for the safety reasons. And so far, we didn't have any issues where the kids got stuck in the lift or anything like that.
So the one word that I would describe the brand, the Elite Elevators, is top notch.